ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু বিপুল ব্রাইটনেস স্কুল। সো ডিয়ার লার্নার্স, ক্লাস 10 বা 2022 সালের এসএসসি শিক্ষার্থীদের চতুর্থ সপ্তাহের অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা কন্টিনিউ হচ্ছে। তোমরা থাম্বনেল দেখে বুঝে গেছো যে কোন বিষয়ের অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের অ্যান্সারটি করব। সো ডিয়ার লার্নার্স, লেটস গো টু ওয়াচ দ্য কম্পিউটার স্ক্রিন। সো ফার্স্ট টাইমে আমরা কোশ্চেনটা একটু পড়ে নেব। অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের কি বিষয় বলেছে। অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট নাম্বার Paper 1, Assignment number 2. Assignment. This assignment is based on Unit 4 from EFT. People's awareness to fight COVID in Bangladesh. Learning outcomes. Ask and tell about the problems. Give suggestion. Instruction. যে নির্দেশনাগুলো দিয়েছে আমরা একটু ভালো করে দেখে নিই। Write an essay in 300 words including the keywords below. How do people behave in public place and in public transport? Do people maintaining social distancing during the lockdown due to COVID-19? How do people behave while moving from one place to another place during festival? Why do they do that? What could be the impact of such behavior? What could you do as responsible citizen of the country to prevent such behavior? এখানে বলে আছে 300টা শব্দের ভিতরে একটা তোমাদের রচনা বা এসে লিখতে হবে। এখন আমরা ডিরেক্টলি অ্যান্সারে চলে যাব। COVID-19 in Bangladesh. A lot of people have fallen in danger COVID-19 in Bangladesh, and sometimes some people die every day, and this given the below. The effect of the COVID widespread is definitely changing the lives of individuals, counting the lives of youthful individuals. School, college, and universities have closed. Exams and occasions put off. The regular well-being data administration are constant comes about in fact that the government has to guarantee appropriate cleanliness. People's behavior in public place and in public transport. Men still go outside for work and shopping, putting them at greater risk than women. Analysis revealed that COVID-19 causes large variation in mood preference but small variation in trip frequency. COVID has drastically cut recreational trips, but not COVID has drastically cut recreational trips but not so many work trips, although online work or education and shopping have risen. This seems to be limited to urban areas. Besides, buses continue during pandemics for trips involving short distance recreation, markets, and long distance recreation. Results suggest the lack of online penetration in rural and suburban areas has prevented work trip reduction in those places, putting the inhabitants at heightened risk from virus. Moreover, the majority of the people continue to use buses at the expense of their health for lack of cheaper alternatives. No, people don't maintain social distance during COVID-19. People's behavior while moving from one place to another during festivals. They engage in behaviors such as interacting with others from outside their own household, singing, shouting, not maintaining physical distance, while not wearing masks, consistently and correctly increasing the risks. During festivals, they are moving from one place to another with their whole family without maintaining social distance. The impact of such behavior. The best way to fight the spread of the virus is to stay at home, be away from our friends and socialize online. If we must go outside or meet someone in person, then we have to make sure to keep a distance of at least 2 meters between ourselves and anyone around. In this situation, if someone coughs or sneezes, they spray small droplets from their nose or mouth, which may contain the virus. If we are too close, we can breathe in the droplets, including the COVID-19 virus if the person coughing has the disease. What I can do as a responsible citizen of the country to prevent such behavior. To prevent such behavior, I can stay safe by taking some simple precautions such as physical distancing, wearing masks, keeping rooms well ventilated, avoiding crowds, cleaning my hands, and coughing into a bent elbow or tissue. COVID-19 doesn't care about national borders. And able in order to limit its spread as an individual, I can contribute to helping to stop the spread of corona by staying home. Besides, I can make people aware of the impact of the COVID situation. What can I say to them? Then dispose of the used tissue immediately into a cloth bin and wash their hands by good respiratory tissue when they cough or sneeze regularly and thoroughly clean hands with an alcohol-based hand rub or wash them with soap and water. This eliminates germs including virus that may be on hands. Avoid touching their eyes, nose and mouth. Hands touch many surfaces and can pick up virus. Once contaminated, hands can transfer the virus to their eyes, nose or mouth. From there, the virus can enter their body and infect them. Cover the mouth and nose with their bent elbow or tissue when they cough or sneeze. Then dispose of the tissue immediately into a cloth bin and wash their hands by following good respiratory hygiene. They protect the other people around them from virus which causes cold, flu and COVID-19 virus. Clean and disinfect surface frequently, especially those whose are regularly touched such as door handles, phone screens, toils, etc.